Nehj al-Balagha Sermon No. 8. Praise of Allah, creation of the universe, and the mission of the prophets. All praise is due to Allah, who has made praise a means of gratitude and a cause for the increase of His blessings. O Allah, the more your blessings increase, the more we are in need of praising you. We glorify you for your favors so that you may grant us even more of your grace. I have faith in Him. He is my Lord, and I express my gratitude to Him, for He is my God. He is the one who remains hidden from the eyes of His creation while watching over them, and He is near to everything while remaining unseen. He is the creator of all things, without any prior example. With His absolute power, He brought everything into existence and arranged them with His wisdom. He did not create them in vain, nor as an experiment, but rather, He fashioned everything with a definite purpose and placed everything in its proper position. Creation of the universe and Allah's power. Allah raised the 7 heavens without pillars and kept them steady without any support. He set the sun and the moon on their courses and ordered everything with precision. He spread the earth upon the waters and made it firm and stable. He fixed the towering mountains into it and made it habitable for all kinds of creatures. Then, He created animals, birds, and diverse forms of living beings to roam and inhabit it. Creation of humans and the purpose of life. Allah created human beings in the best form and granted them intellect and understanding. He sent prophets to guide them and reveal divine messages so that they might escape ignorance and follow the path of righteousness. He bestowed excellence upon some of His prophets over others and granted a special status to some above the rest. Finally, He chose Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, as His final and most virtuous messenger. Allah sent him at a time when the world was immersed in misguidance and corruption. People had strayed from the path of righteousness and were blindly following Satan. Allah sent His prophet as a distinguisher between truth and falsehood, and He conveyed the divine message completely. Prophethood and the final message. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, called people towards the oneness of Allah and forbade them from all forms of evil. During his lifetime, he established the foundations of faith and eradicated all traces of ignorance. Allah called him back to Himself only after he had completed his mission and made clear the difference between right and wrong. Now, guidance is for those who follow the religion of Allah and adhere to His commandments.